Amon Tauromachian served as a member of the first circle of the Legio Custodes during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Imperial records indicate his full title to be Amon Tauromachian, Zyges Lepron, Karen Hedrosa, Pyrope Leng, Longinus. Each name gifted as a mark of prestige for services to the Imperium, institutions, and birthplaces of the Custodian. Regarded as one of the greatest warriors of the Adeptus Custodes, Tauromachian fought beside the Emperor of Mankind during the Ulanor campaign. Manning the checkpoint besides Custodian Hado Venator, Silent Sisterhood, and Primarch Magnus the Red at the Ulanor Triumph, the Primarch of the 15th Legion would be impressed by his martial skill, predicting his future to bear great tidings. Present at the Council of Nicaea, Amon would aid in the discovery of Skald Caspar Hauser's identity as a spy of the Thousand Sons and would be assigned to guard the academic. Tauromachian would be possessed by a demon posing as the Thousand Sons captain of the Ninth Fellowship, Amon, his control bolstered by their shared namesake. Attacked by the demon, Amon's life would be saved by the efforts of the Space Wolves Legion, yet Tauromachian would be unable to engage the demonic forces in the ensuing battle. Harboring great shame for his moment of weakness, he would seek penance by undertaking the blood games of the Custodes. For 10 months, Tauromachian would infiltrate the Imperial Palace and attempt to land a lethal blow upon his assigned target, the Emperor of Mankind. Coming close to accomplishing his task, the Adeptus Custodes would thwart Tauromachian's assassination and acknowledge his great skill in the blood game for getting so close to accomplishing his task. Bringing attention to the flaws in the palace's defenses, Amon's actions would further bolster the Custodians' defense prior to the attack of the traitor legions. Aiding in the defense of the Imperial Palace during the Siege of Terra, Tauromachian would be tasked by Custodes commander Constantin Valdor with rooting out suspected demonic activity within the inner palace. Meeting the Remembrancer, Euphrates Keeler, Amon would show great distrust for the future saint and her followers, yet with the aid of Malcador the Sigillite and Keeler, Tauromachian would fell the Nurgle demon Korvax's Utterblight and its swarm of possessed cultists, earning his additional name, Longinus, at the behest of Malcador, which would be awarded by Constantin Valdor. Working further with Euphrates Keeler to uncover plots to destroy the Primarchs and Adeptus Astartes with a contagion virus, Tauromachian would foil the plots of the criminal Basilio Foe. Amon Tauromachian's fate after the Horus Heresy would be lost to history, though a mysterious custodian by the name of Longinus has been chronicled. Sharing Amon's namesake, it is assumed that Amon continues to serve the Imperium under this new alias. His actions enabling the founder of the Sisters of Battle to meet with the Emperor and thwarting the actions of the Tyrant of the Blue Flame during the Age of the Dark Imperium. The truth of this speculation, knowable only to the Emperor.